Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sharing 8 healthy snack ideas. These are perfect for spring and summer. First, I have this simple cucumber salad. This is really easy to make and keep in the fridge for when you are a little hungry and need a snack. In fact, the flavors really intensify after it's been in the fridge for a day or so. I have 2 cucumbers peeled and sliced, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, half a cup of chopped red onions, and then I made a really easy dressing. I'll have the measurements in the description box below. You just mix it together and keep it in the fridge. This is a perfect, refreshing, and healthy snack. Next, I have frozen blueberry yogurt bites. You only need 2 ingredients, 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using vanilla yogurt, but you can use whichever flavor you like. This would have been easier if I had a toothpick, but I realized I didn't have any when I was already filming this video. But all you need to do is dip the blueberries in the yogurt, line a baking sheet with parchment or wax paper, and pop them in the freezer for about an hour. And then you can either eat them right away or keep them in an airtight container or even a large Ziploc bag. But these are really refreshing, very healthy, and perfect to have on hand. I have a smoothie for a snack all the time. This one is a berry smoothie and it is from my smoothie box. I've been getting smoothie boxes for a while now and I've talked about them before. I want to thank SmoothieBox for sponsoring this video. What is great about SmoothieBox is they deliver packets of smoothies with all of the organic fruits and vegetables that you need. They also come with collagen peptides, which are great for your nails, skin, hair, bones, and joints. They have a few different flavors. I really like the cacao flavor, the berry flavor, and clementine. Smoothies are so good. These are also perfect for breakfast, and I'm sure your kids will like them. My kids really like them. You can have a look at the ingredients for the berry smoothie here, and I have a link for $10 off each smoothie box for life in my description box below if you'd like to check it out. These are really good and such a filling snack. My next snack that I love is guacamole with cucumber slices. If you've watched me for a while, you know that I love chips and salsa and chips and guacamole. And salsa and guacamole are very healthy. However, the chips have a lot of oil and salt. So sometimes I just have to have them with cucumbers, which is really refreshing and delicious. I've shared my guacamole recently and I will put it in the description box below in case you don't have a guacamole recipe. It's incredibly easy to make and this is a delicious snack. Next, I have avocado deviled eggs. I think these green eggs are what Dr. Seuss was talking about. What do you guys think? But don't let the green get to you. These are really good. If you like avocado, you will definitely like these. I wanted to quickly show you how I hard boil my eggs. I put my eggs in a pan and cover with water, bring to a rolling boil, then turn down the heat to low, cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I add the eggs to ice to cool and to stop them from continuing to cook. For the filling, I have 1 large avocado, 2 tablespoons of cilantro chopped, half a jalapeno finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You may want a little bit more lime juice, just so you know. Chili lime seasoning, I get mine from Trader Joe's, salt and pepper. Then you'll just mix all of that together and spoon the mixture into your egg white halves. I sprinkle them with a little chili lime seasoning because I'm kind of obsessed with that stuff. These are really filling and great to have on hand. If you haven't tried avocado deviled eggs and you like avocados, you definitely need to try them because they are really good. Next, I have apple slices with almond butter. This is another favorite snack and super easy to just grab. We want our snacks to be easy to grab so that we're not snacking on unhealthy things. If you're not into almond butter, you can do peanut butter. Another option is sprinkling your apples with cinnamon. This just makes your apple taste even better. Next I have a smoothie bowl. I'm using the cacao smoothie packet from SmoothieBox and a little almond milk. And then I just add it to a bowl and add my favorite toppings. I'm using granola and coconut. You can use whatever you want, really, fresh berries, chia seeds, banana slices, whatever you feel like you could add to a smoothie bowl, really. And they are so filling and perfect when you're craving something sweet but you still want to eat healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you some good snack ideas. You're probably all hungry right now. Let me know which one looks the best to you. And I have the link for $10 off each smoothie box for life in my description box below if you'd like to check it out. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.